So here we have a 2012 KBN135C, a fully guarded machine, in-feeding column with a large tool changer, 60 station tool changer. It's a FANUC 31i control, and it's got manual guide eye as well, and also interestingly it has the PF30 high pressure through spindle coolant, which will be 20 to 30 bar through spindle coolant. We can see, of course, it has the larger chain type tool changer. As mentioned, this is a 60 station tool changer. The tool changer is static and it lines up when the column in feeds, because this is a column in feeding machine, so it's a heavier duty table with 15-ton capacity. So looking at the control now, we have got a FANUC 31i A control, and we also have manual guide eye on the control system. We'll just have a look at the spindle run hours. We can see that the machine has been powered on for 12,599 hours and a total combination runtime of 7,754 hours. That's a combination of the running time and the cutting time, which is G01, G02, G03, the cutting time. So yeah, very low hours machine, clearly in very good condition. So we're running the spindle, and we are running it slowly at the moment on 25 RPM. So we'll just increase that. Just increase that to 100 RPM. And we're in low gear at the moment. So we're in low gear and we're going to run now at 250 RPM. So it changes gear, goes into middle gear, and now 250 RPM. If we increase now to 500 RPM, so we'll go now to 500 RPM, and we're still in middle gear. You can see we're running at 500 RPM. Go to 1000 RPM. Changes gear, goes into high gear. Oh sorry, I put 50 RPM there. So 500 RPM. So it's going to change gear now to high gear, 500 RPM. That's 1000. We're going to seek now to go to 200, and we're going to go to 2000. Changes gear, we're seeking high gear now. So you see we're now in high gear. Very smooth, very nice. Table of the standard size and a 2 meter, so standard size being 1800 by 2 meters, 2 meter y-axis, standard in-feeding column machine, and a larger extended 4 meter x-axis. Just listening to the axes now in the x-axis moving. And moving back again. And the vertical traverse, y-axis, and the column in feed is Z plus. There we go, it's actually Z minus. All the axes nice and smooth, all on hardened and ground slideways, of course. And then we have the B-axis table rotation.
If you reference it on usual.
So we're just re-referencing the machine now. Z-axis, X and Y axis to reference point. So it's Y at the moment, and the B axis come into reference. So it's doing a full rotation. So the B axis is a 0.001 increment, which is good. So it's a full 5 controlled axes machine. We have it clocking round now to reference point.